I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your Mac to share its connection. First, make sure Wi-Fi is on and your internet source, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, is working. Next, open System Settings or System Preferences and go straight to Sharing. This is where Mac OS creates a hotspot. Choose the connection you want to share as the source. Once done, select Wi-Fi as the interface to share to. Doing this sets up the routing and NAT that lets other devices use your Mac's internet. Now configure the wireless network so devices can find and use it. Click Wi-Fi Options or Network Options to name your hotspot SSID, pick a channel, and choose Security. Pick WPA2 or WPA3 Personal and enter an 8+ character password. Make sure the SSID is visible and the channel doesn't conflict with nearby networks for best performance. Once set, these options protect the hotspot and control compatibility. Finally, activate the hotspot and verify it works for real. Turn the internet sharing toggle on. You should see a green indicator and a Wi-Fi icon change. Immediately connect a phone or laptop to the SSID you created and load a web page or stream a short video to confirm throughput. If the guest device can't connect, make sure source internet is live, then toggle Wi-Fi off and on or restart internet sharing. Troubleshooting tip: if connections fail, disable Mac OS firewall or check that the correct source interface is selected, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.